Hi, my name is Bikash, and today I'm here to share my experience. Actually, it is my second purchase from Lapicart, and I'm quite excited to share the unboxing experience of my recent purchase. It's the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I recently ordered. And previously, some months ago, I have ordered my MacBook from them as well, and uh, let's dive into the unboxing. I will also show you my MacBook towards the end of the video. So here is the package that I received, and you can see, I will just show you a close-up. You can see that it's very well solid packed, ensuring that the product is well protected during the delivery. Let's dive into the unboxing. They are quite good with the packaging. It was a long awaited dream which Lapicart fulfilled for me. See, there is a thermocol packaging, ensuring there is no damage during the transit process. Wow, nice packaging. You see, there is also a bubble wrap. There is official branding on the cover. There is mentioned Lapicart. Buy gadgets fearlessly. Here's the box. Let's open it. Let's see some packaging. Wow, the inside is also well cushioned. Here is the phone. Again, it is protected well with a bubble wrap. Here is my iPhone 13 Pro Max in graphite black. Wow, it looks stunning. No scratches. Perfectly clean. It's very likely somebody cannot differentiate between the new and this one. Amazing. Let's see what's inside the box. They also have provided a 20-watt charger with a SIM ejector tool, and this is the USB-C to the lightning cable for charging purpose. That's it. So let's boot up. Here is the Apple logo. This is my first Apple iPhone. Thank you, Lapicart. I will just show you my MacBook once, which I have purchased from Lapicart. Here it is. It's also quite well and good. And this is the M1 Pro MacBook Pro 16/512GB variant, which is performing like a beast. So telling about my shopping experience from Lapicart, from the first time, this is the second time. It's whatever they have promised, they have delivered it. And if any of you want to buy any affordable Apple gadgets from Lapicart, then I will definitely recommend them. Have a chat with them, and they will ensure that you get a good quality product from them. Thank you.